Good morning, everybody. Today, I would like to read about life. Heading My Life. If you want, you can write down. Heading My Life. Sentence number one. My leader is Almighty God. My leader is Almighty God. Second, my birth is my opening balance. My birth is my opening balance. Number three, my good ideas are my asset or property. My good ideas are my asset or property. Number four, my happiness is my profit. My happiness is my profit. Number five, my sorrow is my loss. My sorrow is my loss. Six, my loving parents are my visible God or goddess. My loving parents are my visible God or goddess. Seventh, my sweet sobs are my goodwill. My sweet talks are my goodwill. Number eight, my good dealing with others is my capital. My good dealing with others is my capital. Number nine, my knowledge is my investment. My knowledge is my investment. Number 10, my good character is my everlasting goodness. My good character is my everlasting goodness. Number 12, my anger is my enemy. My anger is my enemy or temper. Next, I feel all are my loving brothers and sisters. I feel all are my loving brothers and sisters. I love the earth, the mother of all living and non-living. I love the earth, the mother of all living and non-living in the world. I'll be thankful to God for every achievement in life. I'll be thankful to God for every achievement in my life. I always count my blessing. I forget my minus points or not shortage of anything. I live by God and live for God. I live by God and live for God. I always attach to God until my last. That is my prayer, and I pray for everyone. I wish you all the best and happy day for all. Next one. There's some difference between British English and American English. We used to talk English. We don't know which are American English, which are British English. A little difference is there, but we unknowingly or knowingly you tell every day in our day to life, even educated or non-educated. So I am reading this difference between British English and American. British English writing in the left side and American English the right side. Note down. First I read British English. First example, postman in British English. American English, mailman, M-A-I-L, mailman. Shop, British English. In American English, store, S-T-O-R, store. In British English, way in, W-A-Y, way in. American English, entrance, E-N-T-R-A-N-C. British English, way out. American English, exist. പുറത്തു പോകാനുള്ള വഴി ബാർജാൻ്റെ ക്രിസ്ത. In British English, timetable. American English, schedule. S-C-H-E-D-U-L-E. In British English, term. T-R-M, term. American English, semester. S-E-M-I-S-T-R. In British English, trousers. In American English, pants. P-A-N-T-S. Trousers, pants. In British English, lift. L-I-F-T, lift. American English, elevator. E-L-E-V-A-T-O-R. E-L-E-V-A-T-O-R, elevator. Holiday. British English, American English, vacation. V-A-C-A-T-I-O-N. In British English, headmaster. In American English, principal. Aerial, British English, A-E-R-I, aerial. In American English, antenna, A-N-T-E-E-N-A, antenna. In British English, baggage, B-A-G-G-A, baggage. American English, luggage, L-U-G-G-A-G-E. In British English, biscuit, B-I-S-C-U-I-T, biscuit. American English, cookies, C-O-O-K-I-E-S, cookies, biscuit, cookies. In British English, bus, American English, coach, C-O-A-C-H. British English, doctor, American English, physician, P-H-Y-S-I-C-A-N, physician. Doctor, British English, American English, physician, P-H-Y-S-I-C-A-N. In British English, civil servant, American English, government employee. Civil servant, government employee, American English. British English, film, American English, movie, M-O-V-I-E. These are the difference. Thank you. Bear in mind, note down, and when you talk with others, you can make out what is American English and what is British English. That's all.